Have you got stuck on loading screen while playing Roblox game? If yes, then this video guide can help you. Here, you will get the possible fixes for Roblox stuck on loading screen. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Turn on Roblox performance statistics. You should turn on the performance statistics setting to see your memory, CPU, GPU, and network usage during the play of Roblox on your mobile device. Method 2. Delete Roblox app cache. Follow the steps. First, go to Settings on Android. Now, click on Apps, then Roblox app. Next, click on the Storage option. At last, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Method 3. Change graphics settings of Roblox. Reducing the graphics settings for Roblox is also helpful in fixing the issue. Simply, change your graphics mode to manual to change the graphics quality setting and reduce to 2 or 3 box. Method 4. Close all background apps. After you use any apps or games on your phone, you don't close them completely and they run in the background. This keeps the device busy and at the same time you can encounter an unexpected error while playing. Method 5. Check internet connection. The issue can be related to your network connection, so switch your connection from cellular to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Use the speed testing site or app like Speed Test to see a stable network connection. Method 6. Update Roblox app. First, launch Google Play Store, click on the profile icon. Now, select Manage Apps and Devices. Next, click on Updates Available to get the list of pending updates. After that, search Roblox and click on the Update option. Method 7. Update Android Phone OS. Here are the steps to follow. First, go to Settings, click on About Phone. Now, open System Update. Tap on it to check if any update is available. If there is any update, then click on the Download Update option. Method 8. Check date and time. If date and time is incorrect, then also you can see an error. For Android 11, check the time by going to Settings, System, Date, and Time. But if your phone is set as a network provided time zone, then change it manually.